Welcome to my channel Current Catalyst. Today I am going to tell you about the Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India is the head of the judiciary system of India and the Supreme Court. Article 124 of the Indian Constitution mentions about the Chief Justice of India. CJI is appointed by the President of India. Outgoing CJI in consultation with other judges recommends the new Chief Justice of India. It is done on the basis of seniority. The tenure of CJI is until the age of 65 years. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President of India. He is the senior most judge of the Supreme Court. The appointment of Chief Justice of India is not subject to legislative approval. Powers and responsibilities of Chief Justice of India. He presides over court proceedings in the Supreme Court. He allocates cases and appoints constitutional benches. He heads the Judicial Collegium, which recommends appointments and transfers of judges. He plays a key role in judicial administration and reforms. The Chief Justice of India shall act as President of India if the offices of both the President and Vice President are vacant. The first Chief Justice of India was Harilal Jaikisadas Kania. His tenure was from the 26th of January 1950 to the 6th of November 1951. He passed away while in office. The present Chief Justice of India is Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai. He took the oath on the 14th of May 2025. He becomes the 52nd CJI of India. His predecessor was CJI Sanjeev Khanna, whose tenure was from the 11th of November 2024 to the 13th of May 2025. Thank you.